In times of uncertainty, our relationship to you remains certain.
While your business operations may continue to change, one thing remains constant, and that's our commitment to you, our valued clients and future clients.
Maintaining relationships, upholding integrity, and innovation are at the forefront of our mission statement.
Throughout the past year, CSAV Systems has evolved to meet your new technology needs.
Our team is constantly adapting our AV solutions to help keep your business safe, healthy, and productive while sustaining our core values.
Over the course of the year, we have installed countless live streaming systems within houses of worship, COVID-ready solutions in office settings, and virtual communications in courtrooms and schools.
And as our clients continuously return back to the office, we stand beside them to redevelop meeting spaces while providing meeting support and training on their existing and newly implemented systems.
We proudly continue to serve hospital clients with video teleconferencing technologies for critical communications, as well as government offices with live streaming solutions for press conferences and briefings.
CSAV Systems will continue to serve and support your business throughout the year and the years to come with the highest level of communication and professionalism. No matter what lies ahead, we are committed to serving you with solutions.